The public prosecutor, do not smile.
My lord, maybe that
I am going
He is
to
the
take
junior to-
serious steps.
it was done by his junior. So
His junior? He's the complainant. He doesn't know what is there in the complaint. Whatever somebody else has drafted and signed it. Because you are the public prosecutor, you're appearing for the state. That does not give you any right to come up with any baseless allegation against anybody. Do you have a copy in front of you?
Yeah.
Yeah? What does yeah mean? You are the
Ma'am,
public prosecutor? This is
I
the
have-
way you address a court? Speeches given out by the political parties against the judges and the judiciary?
Yes,
Have you ever
Lordship,
heard?
I've seen.
Did you
Yes,
ever
I have.
lodge any complaint?
No, my Lordship.
Did you bring this to the knowledge of the Chief Justice of India? Mr. Sandeep Chaki, where is you? Where are you? Who is the person? Mr. Sandeep Chaki, please identify.
my lord, ওনার ভিডিওটা
Video.
unmute করুন। He will
Yes, my lordship.
Where are you? Sandeep
I'm
Chaki,
in. Yes.
please put on your video. Tell me one thing. I have a complaint dated 11th of September 2024 in front of me.
Yes.
What do you do?
Actually, ma'am, I'm an advocate as well as the public prosecutor senior panel, Government of West Bengal, Siliguri Court. And I am lodged a written complaint on 11th September. My lord, I lodged a written complaint. The contents is genuine.
I do not want to inquire about the genuinity of the contents, right? Just tell me, did you prepare the complaint yourself?
Yes. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You are the public prosecutor of the state of West Bengal. You are defending the state of West Bengal,
Huh.
right?
Ma'am.
I will
Yes,
read
right.
out the complaint.
Yes.
Do you have a copy in front of you?
Yeah.
Yeah? What does yeah mean? You are the
Ma'am.
public prosecutor? This
I
is the
have-
way you address a court?
My lord, I have my written complaint original in my custody, ma'am. Original written complaint.
Do you have it in your hand, in your mobile, something in
Original.
front of you? I do not want the original. Do you have a copy?
At this moment, ma'am.
You do not have your
my
advocate
own
is there
possession.
who is
Is
representing you
the
are there. You
written
have a
original
copy with you?
complaint? My
Please read out.
chamber, ma'am.
Please read out. Let everybody hear what is the complaint and the manner in which the police is proceeding. Right? Please read out.
I, Sandeep Chaki, son of late Sudhanshu Chaki, public prosecutor, Siliguri Court, Government of West Bengal, would like to lodge this FIR against above named accused person to the following effects. Since few days, I noticed one video footage became viral on.
1 minute. Is it B?
Yes, my lord, it will be became.
He is a public prosecutor. Do not smile.
My lord, maybe that.
I am going
He is
to
the
take
junior to-
serious steps against the complainant if something comes
My
out.
lord,
And it will be
my
there.
instruction, my lord, the drafting was done by his junior. So
His junior? He's the complainant. He doesn't know what is there in the complaint. Whatever somebody else has drafted and signed it.
my lord,
His name is not-
my lord,
Let me see how many inadvertent steps are over here. Right? So, first one, we'll calculate one by one. This is the first one. Became is not there.
my lord.
Right? Then go on.
Viral on social media, YouTube, some code is there where above named Sudha Sil Ghosh uploaded was
Yes. Whatever.
one defamatory based video with malified.
Yes, stop. What is the spelling? Number 2 error? Number 2 error? Very well. Next.
To harass the government of West Bengal, publishing the viral fake video in respect of judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of India.
What is the spelling of judgment? Is it right?
he had.
Extra added. Number 3 mistake. What is the allegation? That somebody has placed certain video in the channel,
Social media.
in the social media. Now, if somebody uploads something, it is not the responsibility of that person to make it viral. It goes viral. The social media, the society at large maybe forwards it to such extent that it becomes viral. What does this person have got to do with it? Only because you are the public prosecutor, you're appearing for the state. That does not give you any right to come up with any baseless allegation against anybody. And that too, this type, is this the standard of a complaint written by a public prosecutor? The state shall take steps.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में था वो वाला दैट वाज माय फेवरेट 100 ऑफ योर्स
आमिर भाई एक फोटो मिल
He is simply not fit to be given this post. How was this person appointed? Just pick and choose? Was any examination conducted?
For appointment of this, there is no such.
There is no such examination. How is the state spending money upon these type of persons who are not fit to make a complaint?
Your-
Now, once the person has...
as a individual capacity, you're sitting
Yes,
on
he
a
could have
media.
done it.
That I
The
understand.
court would have ignored everything. But it is only because he is trying to make use of his designation as a public prosecutor that the police is taking steps. Is it proper?
No, madam, that is not also. I will explain, madam. That part I will explain. I'm coming after that.
But relying on this complaint, I do not think the police should have taken steps.
I will make my.
Very well. Next, Otri Sharma, where are you?
I'm there.
Yes. And what is your occupation? What do you do?
I'm a legal practitioner, Lordship, in
Yes,
Siliguri.
in Shiliguri,
Yes,
right?
district
What
judiciary.
prompted you to lodge this complaint?
Lordship, when I saw this YouTube content, being a legal practitioner, I just thought that it is derogatory to the entire judicial system, which is last resort of common people in India, considering the scenario. So I just informed the police station. I have not written anything except that what he has stated in his video, nothing else. I have just informed. I don't know what sections are there and all. I have just informed police that this thing is on.
Tell me one thing, is this the first complaint that you have lodged before the police, or these types of videos come on regular basis? Did you ever lodge any complaint?
I have seen this and I lost this. I was
So
not
this is the
after
first
this whole
complaint
time.
that you have lodged. Have you
Yeah.
ever seen or heard the speeches given out by the political parties against the judges and the judiciary?
Yes,
have you ever
Lordship, I
heard?
have seen.
Did you
Yes,
ever
I have.
lodge any complaint?
No, my Lordship.
When the political parties members come out in open public and they declared that they will not follow the court's order, they are not going to comply the court's order, these judges are related to political parties, they give out whatever the directions the political parties give them. Have you ever lodged any complaint against these type of political parties? Which
The way-
portion troubled you?
He was telling that Chief Justice of India was in collision with few political personalities and he is the worst Chief Justice ever and he should be impeached and he's hand in glove with the government and he's just ruining all the cases. He has
Did
taken
you
up
did
no
you
more.
bring this to the knowledge of the Chief Justice of India? Chief
Not yet,
Justice of
ma'am.
India is still holding the post. Did you bring this to the notice of the Chief Justice that this is the comment that is being played by somebody?
Not yet, my Lordship.
Not yet.
But I
Why
will.
don't you take steps? Bring
I
this
will.
to the notice of the Honorable Judge.
I will take immediately, my Lordship. It was my fault, but I will initiate immediately.